Hello, friends. Hope you are all well and safe. Today, I am not going to lecture on any specific topics. Rather, I am going to share my feedback, my general impression about what I feel after looking at the assignments that has been submitted to me. Thank you for your effort that you have taken the pain to submit. Most of you have submitted in time, but I am yet to receive 4 or 5 out of 20. I hope I will get them as well. Now I had given you the assignment to summarize the topics of my lecture from 18th March to 1st April in a write-up of 2 pages in font size 12 in types New Roman, in MS Word or or you LaTeX it, you submit the PDF, whatever. One of the points that has caught my attention, and I have also written my feedback to several of you up till now, several students up till now, is that you clearly need to work on your typing skills, especially in MS Word. See, in today's world, one of the key skills that we require in any profession is to type in a and prepare presentations that are of professional quality. So when you are going to type, what are the things that you need to know? First is indentation. Second is the use of subscript and superscripts. And third, if you are in a subject like mathematics or statistics or in general mathematical sciences or any sciences, is the use of equation editor and how to insert math symbols and how to insert special symbols like Greeks in your text. So this is something I think most of you can improve quite a bit. There is a scope for improvement, and especially since now in a way this is the vacations. These are like your summer vacations, right? Forced summer vacations. So since you are now confined to your home, and I hope and it seems most of you have got internet connection because you are in touch with me. At least 13 of you have been regularly in touch with me, and I think a few more have submitted assignments, so you have internet connection and all that. So please go to YouTube or go search in the net, take necessary help and work on these points. I want you to prepare. I want you to be in a position where you can prepare a write-up in the form of a research paper where you can make use of subscript, superscript, insert symbols, make efficient use of equation editor that is there in the MS Word. And then you should also know how to convert from Word to PDF, PDF to Word, and so on and so forth. So this is something I strongly recommend that you work on this skill, and then of course you can work on some of your Excel skills that I have not yet tested, but MS Word you surely many of you have a lot to improve. This is number one. And second, I will touch upon some general points that when you are summarizing, it does not mean that you simply note down 1 2 3 4 the topics of the lecture and some points from here and there in each lecture. Okay, so in the way summary means that what are the main points of the of any presentation or any text. So when after I'll give you some examples. So expectation of a simple random variable I have covered. Naturally, when explaining, I have taken more time to explain in detail. But when you summarize, you simply say that it is a random variable which takes finitely many values with probability 1, and in one line you write the definition. But what are the main points? Like expectation is linear, that some of most of you have written, but then the important point that suppose x is a non-negative valued random variable and expectation of x is 0, then what do you know about that random variable? That is something most of the people have missed. Then properties of variance, right? Variance of a constant is 0, but that's something that I expected that you should be able to give a one line proof. And then if suppose variance of a random variable is 0, then what do you know about the random variable? That is something several people have skipped, and one or two people who have written has written it wrongly, that variance of an x equal to 0 does not mean that it takes the value 0. It means that the random variable is like a constant, that is variance of x equal to 0 implies probability of x equal to some constant c with probability 1. And then I also said that if expected both expectation and variance of x are equal to 0, then what do you know? So these are many points, several points that has not been used. Okay, so I will not get into the details today. And also one of the students have asked the concept of IID random variable, so I would suggest that you revisit that talk. Okay, in one line if I want to say, so what I have said in that presentation regarding IID random variables, that imagine yourself repeating a single random experiment several times. So you are repeating a random experiment again and again and again. So with the outcome of each trial is represented by one random variable. Then you get a sequence of random variables. Now these are IID. Why? Because the because you are repeating the same experiment, so the distribution of the random variable is same, that is it is going to take same set of values with same probabilities, and they are independent because the outcomes of one trial does not affect the outcome of the other trial. So in this way, these are the main issues that I expected. Okay, so in this way I think you should work on the presentation skills. Okay, thank you.